how to send automated WhatsApp message to new ClickFunnels contact. So ClickFunnels is a website builder or a landing page builder using which you can sell your products, and here I'll show you whenever a new contact is created in ClickFunnels software, how you can send a WhatsApp message to the very same contact automatically and instantly without doing anything manually. So if you also want to automate the process of sending the WhatsApp messages to new contacts, then come with me and I will show you everything step by step. So this is the dashboard of ClickFunnels where I have created a testing funnel and I have also added a form. So whenever this form is filled, of course a contact will be created, and on the contact creation I want to immediately send a WhatsApp message to the very same contact. And for sending these WhatsApp messages I will use AiSensy application, and it is an amazing application because it has the access of official WhatsApp API. Okay, so in order to automate this whole process, firstly I will have to build a connection in this ClickFunnels and in this AiSensy application, which I am going to do with the help of software called as Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation software. I am an existing user, so I am already logged in Pabbly Connect. You can create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard, click on this blue button that is create workflow and then provide a random name to your workflow to your automation. Okay, so I have provided the name, basically I have directly pasted the name as send automated WhatsApp message to new ClickFunnels contact. Okay, and from here I can also select that in which particular folder I would like to create the workflow. So I want to create the workflow in this main folder. Okay, so I have selected the same. Now simply clicking on create, and after that you will find 2 boxes. So these boxes are called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So whenever something happens in the first application, then automatically do this in the next application. So this is how you need to always choose the application in this trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation. And here according to our use case, I want that whenever a new contact is created in ClickFunnels application, then automatically send a WhatsApp message to this contact using AiSensy application. Okay, so I have selected both the application in this trigger and the action window, and the idea here is firstly I will connect a ClickFunnels with Pabbly Connect and will capture the contact detail, and then I will connect Pabbly Connect with AiSensy and will send the WhatsApp message automatically. Okay, so let us connect a ClickFunnels with the Pabbly Connect. So firstly I will select the trigger event, that is whenever a new contact is created. You can also read the instruction. Triggers when a new contact is created. So yes, I want to perform the same. I want that whenever a new contact is created in ClickFunnels, the details of that contact should be captured as a webhook response. Okay, so with the help of this URL you can actually build the connection. So you just need to copy this webhook URL, and how you can build the connection, well, the instruction for the same are already given here. Okay, so going back to the ClickFunnels application, and here you will find the option of settings, then directly click on the API section. Okay, I'm really sorry, not API, directly click on this webhooks option, and here you can notice lot of webhooks are already created. Simply click on this add new endpoint button as per the instruction. Here you can notice click on add a new endpoint button, give a name. Okay, so I'm going to perform the same. So firstly I will paste the same webhook URL which I have actually got from Pabbly Connect, then I will provide a random name, something like connection with Pabbly Connect. Okay, I'm providing this name, and in the event type I will select the same, that is whenever the contact is created. Now clicking on this button create endpoint, and here you can notice endpoint was successfully created. That means the connection in Pabbly Connect and ClickFunnels is successful. Okay, so here you can notice it is waiting for the response, which means it is saying now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. response. Okay, so basically it is asking to do a test submission or record, and here the test submission means creation of a new contact in ClickFunnels. Okay, so yes, I am going to do the same. Okay, so I have already created a funnel which I have already shown you, okay, under this funnel, and I have even opened the same funnel here, and here I have also attached the form. Okay, so basically I'm clicking on this get started today button, and few details are already filled, and again these are the random details, dummy details, and here I'm providing a dummy phone number. But don't worry, I will replace this dummy number with my genuine WhatsApp number so that I can show you how messages can be received, how messages will be received. Okay, so dummy is the first name, customer is the last name, dummy customer 42 is at pabbly2.com is the email address, and this is the dummy phone number. Clicking on submit, and as soon as the submission is successful here, you will notice that the same contact details will be received as a response. When here you can notice the response is already received. Now I'll show you the details one by one. So here we have the subject type as contact, the event type as contact created, and now I'll show you other details also. Okay, so this is the same dummy phone number which we have provided at the time of form submission, the last name, the first name, the email address. Okay, and we even have the timing. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Pabbly Connect and this ClickFunnels is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards what will happen whenever a new contact is created in ClickFunnels, the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. Okay, so in this way the first step of our automation is done. Now moving further, I am going to send the WhatsApp message. I'm really sorry, I'm going to send the WhatsApp message to the very same contact, to the very same person, basically on this phone number. And don't worry, again I'm telling you that I will replace this number with my genuine WhatsApp number before the final clicking button. Okay, so here you can notice the application is already selected. I will select the action event now, that is send a template message. Now clicking on connect, then clicking on add a new connection, and for the connection it is asking for the API key, which you can actually get under this manage API key and generate key. Okay, so this is my application. Here is the option of manage, here is the option of API key, and here is the API key already generated. Okay, so how about I copy the already generated key? I am not generating a new key, you can do the same. Okay, pasting it here, clicking on save, and this is how AiSensy application will be immediately connected with Pabbly Connect. And because it is connected, here you can notice it is asking for several details which are actually required for sending the WhatsApp messages. Firstly, it is asking for the campaign name, which is a required field. Okay, so I'll explain you this campaign name later. Now I will provide the mobile number, okay, and the mobile format. Basically the contact number format should be in this particular format, basically along with this country code. Okay, now here I am not going to manually paste the number. Remember, we have already captured the responses as our trigger step, as our previous step. Okay, so the interesting thing is, so I am going to map this data here, and mapping is very simple. When you will click on this field, you will find the above step data here in the drop down. Now finally I will map the details. Okay, so in the same way you can actually map other details also in other fields. Okay, now you must be thinking, what is this mapping? So whatever the details I am mapping here, these details will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time. Okay, so I'm adding the first name, then giving a space, searching for the last name, which was customer. Okay, so in this way I have mapped it. Okay, so whatever the details I will map here will be changed automatically, asking for the source. Okay, so how about I add something like website? Okay, all right, now it is asking for the tag. So again, it is not a mandatory field, so I'm leaving this particular field blank. Asking for the template parameter, the most interesting part. Okay, so before we provide any parameter here, firstly we will have to understand what is this template all about. Okay, so whenever you are sending the messages using official API of WhatsApp, you will always have to firstly create a new template get it approved via Facebook, and then only you will be able to initiate the conversation with your customers and clients using that template. Okay, and you will have to get the approval from the parent company of WhatsApp, that is Meta. Okay, so here you can notice few links are available, so you can actually visit this quick guide in order to learn how you can create your template. Now I'll show you my template which I have already created and of which I have got the approval. Okay, so the name of my message template is send a message on form submission, and it is the text type. Okay, and here I have added a header text, that is thank you for submitting the form, and hello dash. Okay, now you must be thinking what is this number packed with the curly braces. Okay, so whatever the details I want to keep on changing automatically, I have kept those things in the form of variable. So let's say I want that on every new contact creation or on every new form submission, the name of the form submitter should appear here automatically. So that is why I have kept that value in the form of variable. You can add as many as variables as you want. Okay, so hello, and here the name of the customer, name of the contact will appear. Thank you for submitting the form, we have received your details. The details are as follows, and here I am going to attach all the details of the form submitter. Someone from our team will contact you shortly. Okay, and thanks team Pabbly. Okay, so this is my template which is already approved. If you want, you can create your template by clicking on this new button, and from here firstly you can select any category, then you can select any language. Let's say I selected this English language. Then you can provide any random name to your template. Then you can select the type, that whether you want to send any image or a video or a file or a location. Okay, currently I just want to send a basic text, so I have selected the same, and from here you can select, you can actually provide the text to your header just like I have provided. Remember, I have provided the text something like thank you for filling out the form, and from this particular section you can actually compose the message, and you can even find the preview of this message in this right side. Okay, so let me add the value. Okay, so in this way you can compose your message, and whatever the values you want to keep in bold or italic, you will have to add this asterisk sign before and after that value. Let me show you how you can do that. Okay, and don't worry about that, the instructions are already given along with the software, basically in this AiSensy application only. Okay, so here you can notice how this particular value is bold, basically thank you is bold. Okay, and whatever the values, basically whatever the variables you will add in your template, you will also have to provide the sample values to these variables. Okay, so basically we are just telling the system that what value will come in place of these variable, and this is just a sample content, just a dummy content. After that you will also have to provide the template footer. Well, again it is completely optional, it is not compulsory, and even the buttons are also optional. Okay, after that, after providing all the details, you can submit this template for the approval. So if your template is approved, you can actually use that template. Okay, so let me discard this template, because remember I have already shown you that my template is already created and the name of the template is there. Okay, and I am going to provide the values to my variable from here. Okay, so let's say I have in total 4 variables, so that is why I will provide the values one by one. In place of first variable, name of customer will appear, so I am going to map the name, that is demo. I'm really sorry, not demo, it is actually dummy, and again sorry because of the spelling mistake. Alright, so this is my first name, giving a space, let me search for the last name, and then I have provided the value to my first variable. Now I will add a comma, and after that I will provide the value to my second variable. Well, here also my customer name, my contact name will appear. Okay, so I will have to map this value once again. again giving a space, searching for the customer. Okay, again I will provide a comma, and then I am going to provide the value to my third variable, which is email, and then for the phone. Okay, so how about I search for email address via this @ and again I have mapped it, adding a comma one last time, and now I will add the phone number of the person. Alright, so I have added the same, asking for the attributes, and again it is an optional field, so I'm not providing any data. And if you are about to send any image or video as a message, you can add the URL for the same, and you can provide the file name of that media from here. Okay, remember I have told you that I will explain you this campaign name later. Okay, so basically whatever the template you have created, using that template now you will have to create a campaign. Okay, so you can visit this campaign section from this left hand sidebar, then you will have to click on this launch button, then select this API campaign and simply provide a random name. Okay, send WhatsApp text to form submitters. Okay, and from here you will have to select your message template. Okay, so I have the template as this. Okay, as soon as I click on the set live button, my campaign will be live. Okay, so here you can notice my campaign is live, and now I can easily provide the name of my campaign. Okay, so let me copy and paste the same here. Well, this extra value is copied. Basically this value is this refresh. Okay, don't worry, I have removed it. Okay, and now I'll click on this button, but before that I will replace this dummy number with my genuine WhatsApp number, and you will see how a message will be arrived on my WhatsApp. Okay, so give me a second. Alright, so I have provided the number, clicking on this button save and send test request and waiting for the response to receive, and if the response is positive, that means the message is sent. Alright, so this is my WhatsApp web, and here you can notice automatically, immediately and instantly a new message is arrived, and it is the same message, that is, thank you for submitting the form. Hello dummy customer, thank you for submitting the form. We have received your details. The details are as follow, and here you can notice the name of the contact, the email address, and even the phone. All details have been added automatically. Okay, so in this way, with the help of this automation, by connecting AiSensy and ClickFunnels, you can automate the process of sending the WhatsApp messages to your contacts automatically and instantly. Simply create this workflow inside Pabbly Connect just once. After that, you can sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Okay, so now onwards, whenever a new contact is created in ClickFunnels, the contact will receive a WhatsApp message automatically. And if you want to access this two-step workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my workflow into the description box. So simply click on this link, then sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues, and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.